Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Mila B, and today I am just doing a different design on those nails I did in my last video. I actually saw something similar to this on Be Glamorous Nails. I will put her picture or video in the description box so you guys can see it, but just a little inspiration. All the products that I'm using, I will put them in the description box. But anyways, I wanted to do glitter, but this glitter gel was trash, y'all. Y'all can see it's very clumpy, it's very thick. Like, I kept wiping it off and using acetone. It was just terrible. So you'll see some lumps and bumps, but to be honest with y'all know I just cured it and left that mess right there. And then to clean up the cuticle, because I had pink and it kind of stained around the cuticle, I went ahead and I did this teal color all around the edges of the nail. Throughout the video, I flash cured my nails with that Kira Sky lamp that I used in my last video. So go ahead and check that video out too, so you can see how I really feel about that lamp. But once I was done with this nail, I came in with, I went and did another coat so that way the color could be a little bit more opaque and vivid. And after I cured that, I went ahead and started with my marbling design. So first I went with the white gel polish, and then I cured. I kind of, be honest with y'all, I think I just flash cured a lot of these nails. And then at the end, I went ahead and cured it for like a full minute or so. As I said before, these nails were inspired by Be Glamorous Nails, but I kind of wanted to put my own spin on it. So I had some foil that I had got a while back from Amazon. I also did a video with that. And I decided to add the silver because I think in the last video I used gold. So I wanted to try this out, and it just went on very smoothly, and I just rubbed it in. Next, I came in with a Sharpie. I used like a purplish blue and a gray color. I probably should have put less of the blue, but that's okay. It ended up working out. I just used some acetone in this brush, and I kind of just patted it to get just a semi-nice design. And then I realized it really wasn't matching with these nails, so I come in with the gel polish of the color that I use on my other nails to kind of tie it all together. Then on my thumbnail, I just used the gray instead because I really wanted it to match better in the gel polish, and then I still used the acetone to thin it out. After I flash cured it, I came in with just a little bit of the blue so it can all tie together. I just came in with a little bit of that glitter and just sporadically put it on my nails. And then I had to take a break to finish my daughter's nails because she wanted hers done too. But then after that, I just applied my Parker J's Magic Mane Oil, and that was pretty much it. So thank you for watching my video. Please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Mila B, out.